Alright, here we are, and you've logged into extractorhub. Just so you know, I guess I'll walk you through that a bit more, especially with the landing page here, the design page. Maybe you click on this little tab. That's what gives you your login. So once you're logged in, all this stuff I won't get into because it's all, give you 1,000 reasons why you don't need to mess with it, but posts is all you're interested in doing. So if you click on posts, you'll get a list of the posts that are there. You could edit them. Here's one here I just created for this purpose. Here's a wonderful post that's got a featured image added. It's got another image here which I'm going to eliminate. So when you create a post, it's title. It's this whole bunch of stuff. Things can be formatted. You can do whatever you want for formatting. You can change header sizes. Those are all here. Obviously, you can make things bold or not. Hit update, and they all save. Important part really is, again, title, body, category, and a featured image. Now, the featured image, when I update this, I can look at it on the front of the page. There's a permalink right here. I can open that in a new tab and take a look at this post and see exactly what I've got. And it's always the featured image at the top and then blah, blah, blah down below. Let's say, for example, you wanted to have an image in here somewhere, maybe even like relating to this. So you could put your cursor there, and then you could stick an image in there, and there's a big image. Pretty ugly, not really what we want. So while I stuck an image in there, I'm going to do it a little more refined here. So I'm going to put my cursor where I want the image, add medium, and grab this again. What I'm going to notice though is if I scroll down over here, I can align this thing left. I can make it maybe a thumbnail, insert into post. Now what's going to happen is this text is going to wrap around here a little bit. So when I save that and look at it, I get kind of a nice magazine article wraparound deal here. If I happen to want, if I wanted one at the end of this line, again, I would actually go here. I would grab it. In this case, I would do alignment right. It's going to throw it over there. Then, when I actually refresh the page, alignment right. So that's how you use alignment. Obviously, there's alignment center. You can also change sizes. One really neat trick is if I look at this and I say, you know what, this is a little weird. I'd rather have it a little bit bigger so it doesn't leave this line behind. I can just click on it right in the visual editor and drag it up a little bigger and hit update. And go, yeah, that's cool. That's what I wanted. The other option, obviously, is maybe I want it really small. And there it is. So that's how you want to put, if you're going to add images within your text, make them wrap and look nice like a magazine type article. That's what you want to do. So that's the difference between images within the body and the featured image. So that's all there is to this whole thing. If you want another post, you just go ahead and say my new post. You can throw in a bunch of stuff here. Pick a category, add a featured image. I would upload a file. There's a media library. Here's all the stuff we've already got. But if you're going to have a new image, upload files, go to your computer, pick a file. There's a nice pond, some scum on it. And it's uploading. Wait till it finishes. There you go. It's that featured image. That's us. There it is. So I got that. I can hit publish. And let's take a look at the front of the site. I threw that one under pumps. Under pumps is, there it is, my new post. Now this is an excerpt. See this? This is an excerpt. To read the whole post, I have to go read more, or I could click on the picture or the title. So these are all excerpts. These are the excerpts in category pumps. On the home page, my newest post shows up first also. Again, as an excerpt, I can click on this to read more. So, category link over here again. Everything's all linked. So basically, it's going to show up under the category and on the home page. Obviously, you can go back again and look at all your posts. If you don't want one anymore, like my new post, the easiest way to do it's trash. Boom, trash, gone. Now when I look at the front page, it's gone. Wonka bar, trash. Refresh the page in the front. Yeah, okay. Cool thing with trash is if I decide later I want it, they're still back here in trash. If I want to just kill them all together, delete permanently, and it's gone. So that's basically your. Now the other piece of this puzzle is categories. We've got categories here. They're listed on categories we don't use, but you can add stuff later. So if we end up with another category, we can add one. It won't show up in the menu. I'll have to add it for that. So basically, it's just posts. Go to post, add new, title, blah, get your category, set a featured name, and hit publish and go. Okay, now there's a bunch of stuff. If I open this up, there's a bunch of stuff for SEO that I can do SEO stuff, but don't worry about that right now. Get you started on your posts, and we'll let me know if you have any more questions. Right.